Hi, Miss Isabel. Today we have a visitor at the camp. Okay, I will check it out. Just to see. They always want to replace someone I like Judy. And you're out of your effing mind if I'm replacing Judy. Because that's not happening. I'll say it again for those need repeating. If Judy leaves my island, this one right here. Cutie, I was just thinking how lovely it would be to see you. Yeah, if Judy leaves my island, I'm not playing this game anymore. My favorite character. I love her. Thank you, Sav. Judy. But let me see who's on the campsite. That's a cool fox emoji. Give you bits if I get some more followers, you know, you can bit me. It's like bit me for Judy. 200 bits to see Judy. Just kidding. Oh, here's the campsite. They always want to like replace Judy or Agnes. Those are my two favorite islanders. Agnes, because she's kind of cool and she's the only one that I've... Oh, heck no. Let's see, I'll give you Graham. Oh, by the way, Sav, I think the duck I have on my island is from your island. I think. This duck showed up. Miranda. Yeah, Graham. Sorry. Bye, Graham. Enjoy your stay. I'm good, though. No, thank you. So, who'd you toss on me? Why'd you get rid of her? Just for someone better, or is she really annoying? I don't find her that annoying. She's not like Dina, who I couldn't get rid of no matter how much I shoved her and boxed her house in and what do you call it? Yeah, I couldn't get rid of her. Alright, who am I moving now? Who's over there? Okay, Bianca. Sure, why not? This is where my daughter would be like, why is the puppy there? It's not Saturday. It's like, shh, don't cheat. Cheating's bad. Why are you talking about cheating, Daddy? No reason. You're nuts. It's like a computer server. No. TV camera. I don't know what half this stuff is. Clearly I had a plan when I bought it, and it fell through. I'll give her a billiard table. There we go. All right. It's cataloged. I'll buy another one. Let's see if they're having a cute little birthday celebration in there, like they usually are. Yay! Thank you for coming today. It's my birthday. There you go. It's been a lovely party. There does seem to be a deficit, the latter of the two things, the gifts. I got you something. Of course. I totally just did. Wait, where is it? Oh, okay. Yeah. Who's your best friend? Yeah, I'm giving you a billiard table. Enjoy. Let's do this one more time. Thank you so much for the thoughtful gift. Boom. You can tell this is where my neighborhood was before I moved everything. No! Again! Not again! Ah! You think of wasps, Wulv? I hate them! And this is what I'm talking about, chat. Where else do you get a little villager like this? Look at this cute little Judy. She sings. Just randomly just sits around and sings.